Here's something you did in your teenage years that you would never tell your parents. 1. I used Photoshop to change my grades on a bad report card once. They never figured it out. 2. My friend got us into a car wreck while we were out drinking. The driver was sober, and everyone was unharmed. I never told my mom about that because she would have never let me out of the house after that. 3. Shot through my bedroom door, bullet flew downstairs hitting some walls and objects. Luckily, nobody got hurt, I was home alone. Patched the door and repainted it in 24 hours. Fixed the wall as best as I could and said I bumped into the wall with a heavy object. Stupid but lessons learned. 4. I moved to a new town and my neighbor and his friends asked me to hang out. We went to a parking lot, Halloween night, and cops showed up because they were lighting fireworks at cars passing by. I was like, what the heck are you doing? We ran, and the cops cuffed me and put me in the back of their car. I asked the cop to buckle me in because I couldn't do it. He looked at me with disbelief and then did it. We drove around looking for the others, and he was asking me questions. I told him I